How to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram at once. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Now head to your profile feed, selecting profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the followers list or the following list in order to unfollow everyone on Instagram. If you have a small amount of users that you follow on Instagram, that is quick easy to unfollow everyone at once. Simply you can tap the three dots next to it and tap the unfollow button. Do it same for everyone. But if you have a lot of followings that you follow on Instagram, it is quite difficult. For that, you simply need to screenshot the following section and head back to the three-line icon at top right corner from your profile feed. Scroll to the bottom, select Help, and then tap Report a Problem. Tap Report Problem without checking and tap Include and Continue. And you have to add the screenshots of the following list by tapping Upload. And then you need to explain that, hi, Instagram tip, I want to unfollow everyone in Instagram at once. Please help me for this issue and tap the same button at top right to submit your report. Once done, Instagram will provide a quick solution for this and you'll be able to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram at once. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.